Yo, what is up guys? Let me guess, you guys have been searching and searching on YouTube, finding a reason to start your Amazon KDP journey, and you stumble on my video. This video will be about my second month on Amazon KDP. Hello, my name is Akil Airi and I'll be sharing every part of my journey. I'll be so transparent about my income, my ads and everything. So if you guys like it, make sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more, please do consider subscribing. And without further ado, let's go. Okay, for the first part of this video, I want to share about the books that I've been uploaded this month, which is I have uploaded 2 books and I have around total of 6 books for this past 2 months. Okay, so let me share the 2 books here. The first book for this month is I've uploaded a Pocket Town coloring book. Okay, what is this book actually? Okay, this book is about 3D building. So if you can see here behind the cover, we got a cute building in 3D. We got an ice cream building. What else? So there's a miniature building. Okay, so people can color it and everything. So for the design here, where did I get the image of this building is by Midjourney. Okay, and I've got the image. I've cut the image and I've put it in Canva and I've edited the cover with a pink yellow background. So yeah, but I think I'm still not proud of this cover actually. First time ever. I maybe change the cover in the future, but not now. So yeah, so this is my first book for this month. On to our second book, which is a word search activity book. Okay, so if you guys want to know how did I make my word search activity book, I will upload the video next week, so stay tuned. And how did I make the cover is by using Fiverr.com. Okay, I pay people to make the cover because it turns out, because I want to try it, they make a better cover than me. I have to admit it, people have more experience, it's better to pay them. Okay, if you guys have the budget to do so, I recommend and suggest you to pay people who are more professional in it. But if you want to do it by yourself, we can also do it by Canva and everything, or Photopea. Alright, one thing here, what is this book? Okay, it is about around the world, which is they have around 80 countries to learn about in this book. Okay, they have to find words related to the country. This book I haven't posted yet, but I want to show you guys, hoping that will give you guys some idea. So that is all for my books, the 2 books that I've made. So on to the most important part, which is you guys want to know how much did I make on my second book. So without further ado, let's go. Welcome guys to the most important part of the video, which is how many books did I sold for this week. As you guys can see here, I've sold around 15 books for the month of June, which is the second month. Okay, let me compare with the last month. Last month, I only sold around 9 books, and this month, I only sold 15. So that's an improvement around 6 books. Okay, that's an improvement. Okay, so let me show you what books did I sold for this month. Okay, I have 5 books here. Well, actually 6. The one I haven't listed yet. So let's say just 6, but I've sold 4 books, and all of these 4 books are actually the books from last month. Okay, first book, which is the flower coloring book, I have sold around 6 books. And for the cyberpunk, I've only sold 5. And mythical world amazing creature, here I've sold 3. And animals fun fact, I've only sold around 6. And I'm feeling really grateful, right? Because I've only been in my second month and I've already sold a total of 25 books. Okay, it's not easy. I know it's not easy to get 25 books sold, because some people take around 6-7 months to only sell 1 book. So one thing that I want to tell you guys, some tips is make sure to make books which is quality. Okay, remember, quality is better than quantity. And one thing for sure, I know, don't be don't be disappointed if you guys haven't made any sale. Your time will come, just make sure to work hard. And yeah, and one thing for sure that I want to tell you guys, these books are sold because I've made some ads, but that will be later in the video. I'll show you how I put my ads. So yeah, I've sold a total around 25 books, which is for this month is 15 books. So how much did I make for this month? For this month, I've made around $45.33. Okay, we're going to compare with last month, which is $28.28. So the total that I've made for this month is $76.93. Okay, that's quite high, you know. I'm quite impressed, and thank you. I'm feeling really grateful and hoping that the next month I will be able to make a grand total of more than $100. Okay, so let's see how much I made for each book. Okay, the first book, which is sold the most, I've made around $18, which is 6 books, and Cyberpunk I made around $14. The Mythical World is $9.72, and Animals Fun Fact around $3.24. Oh yeah, and one thing I forgot to share, for each book, the flower, all of those books I've sold it in United States. For Cyberpunk, I've sold it in United States, which is $9, and Canada around 3 Canada, I don't know what it's called, Canada dollars. Australia 3.65. For Mythical World, I've only sold it in United States, and Animal Fun Facts also I've only sold in United States. So let's see for the total. I'm going to be so transparent with you guys, okay? So hoping that you guys got the idea. So for total books, the most books that I've sold is the Cyberpunk coloring book, which is I've sold for 4 countries in United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, with a grand total of $42. Okay, that's a lot, to be honest. And Flowers coloring book is all in United States. Mythical World also in United States. Animals Fun Facts also in United States. So on to the next part, which is how much did I spend on ads. And you guys may be shocked how much I spent, but let me show you guys. Welcome guys to the most boring part of the video, which is the Amazon ads. How much did I spend for this month, which is the month of June? I spent around $98.70, as you guys can see here. Okay, I've spent more than the amount that I've get. Okay, let me explain why. First of all, for the first month, I've used automatic targeting on my ads, but recently, during the 14 June, let me change it. Okay, 14 June, I've changed it into a manual targeting, and one thing that I want to tell you guys that I've learned, which is manual targeting is more profitable than automatic targeting. Why? Because when I made manual targeting, the day that I made the manual targeting, the next day I've got 2 sales automatically. Okay, so I think manual targeting, you guys have to search more, learn more, because I want to suggest to you guys to make sure to use manual targeting, to learn manual targeting. Okay, you will improve your sale more. I also have a video about Amazon ads, manual targeting, and also automatic targeting on my past video. You guys can click on the link below in my description. So as you guys can see here, the month of June, I've not have made any sales during the automatic targeting here. Well, if you guys can see, I start making the Cyberpunk manual ads because I've used manual ads from 14 June. Then I've spent some money and I've made some order. The total order that I've made is around 7 orders that I've made from the manual targeting. But the total amount that I've sold, the books that I've sold for this month, which is 15. So 7 books I've made from ads, and the other 8 books are sold because of organic people search. So I think I will improve this more, but one thing for sure, I've improved more better than last month. Okay, now for United Kingdom, during the second month, which is the June, I've only spent around £2.34, and surprisingly I haven't made any sales from United Kingdom using ads. So all the sales that I've made from United Kingdom are organic sales. Okay, good thing to know. So I spent around £2.34. And for Canada, I don't put any ads for the month of June, so I spent around 0.00 Canada dollar, I guess. I don't know what it's called. So yeah, that's all the ads that I spent for this month. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about it. That is all, and hoping next month I will improve on this ad, and one thing for sure that I will let you guys know. So yeah, I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please do make sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.